everyone! For the month of February, we are going to learn about fennel. Fennel has a white bulb at the base that resembles an onion, with stalks and leafy greens growing on top, which resemble celery. Fennel is one of my favorite winter foods, so I'm very excited to talk about it today. First, let's take a look at where fennel grows. Fennel is an ancient crop. It was mentioned in writings by the ancient Romans, used by ancient Egyptians as medicine, and used by the Chinese to treat snake bites. It is originally traced to the Mediterranean region of southern Europe, but has since been brought to the rest of Europe. The United States was introduced to fennel in the 1700s. Fennel thrives in California and other regions of the Southwest. Fennel grows wild in Australia, where it is considered a weed. There are two varieties of fennel, Florence fennel and sweet fennel. Florence fennel, also called bulb fennel because of the large bulb at the base, can grow to be 3 feet tall. Florence fennel is the type of fennel you would find in the produce section of the supermarket. The other variety of fennel is sweet fennel, which is used for its seeds as a seasoning. This is the kind of fennel that is used as a seasoning in sauces, bread, or meat. This fennel can grow to be 4 to 5 feet tall. Both types of fennel can put out yellow flowers when in bloom. You can find fennel in the produce section of most supermarkets all year round. Fennel grows between October and January and is harvested in the late winter through early spring. That means that February, right now, is one of the best times of the year to eat fennel. So, now that we know where, how, and when fennel grows, where do you think it fits on my plate? That's right, fennel belongs in the vegetable section of my plate. Fennel is a good source of vitamin A, which is important for eye health, vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and helps wounds heal, and B vitamins, which help make sure our cells function properly and converts food to energy. Fennel also contains fiber for digestion, potassium for blood pressure, phosphorus and calcium for bone health, iron to carry oxygen through your body, and copper to stay healthy. So, how should we eat this licorice-tasting vegetable? Fennel has a unique flavor. The bulb fennel can be eaten raw on its own, which some people say tastes like black licorice. Raw bulb fennel tastes crunchy like celery. Both celery and fennel are part of the same vegetable family, the Apiaceae family, along with parsley, dill, and carrots. The bulb, stalks, and leaves of fennel are all edible. Some of my favorite ways to eat fennel include raw in salads or shaved into slaws, roasted with chicken and apples, and pickled. I also like the addition of fennel seeds to soups, stews, sauces, and protein dishes for a subtle flavor. You can also add the top of fennel, called the fronds, as a garnish on finished dishes. It tastes delicious and it looks fancy. So, now that you know all this information, how will you enjoy fennel?